So actually, my wife and I didn't really consider building a home at all until about last December. So we decided to look at lots. We just started the building process. I got multiple plumbing and heating bids. Swick was the best bid. I actually talked to a guy after I accepted Swick's bid and said, who are you going with? And I told him I'm going with Swick. And he said, well, boy, you must not have picked the cheapest one, but you sure picked the best one, which was funny because Swick was also the lowest price. I don't have any reservations about Swick doing a good job for someone. Swick has an excellent reputation for quality and for speed. I didn't want to get hung up with somebody who was stretched too thin, who didn't have enough guys to complete the project. A few times I asked for things that I actually thought were a little bit unreasonable, especially in terms of time, and they always came through. Swick never held me up for a deadline, which is really saying something.